Hey man, it's JB the Fly Guy back again with another unboxing. And by the title of the video, you know what this is. Yeah, this right here is a pure fresh unboxing. I brought one of these kits before, but um, that one I brought was a silver motor. I installed it, everything worked good. Um, you know, so this right here is an 80cc or whatever displacement. They claim there's 60 between the 80cc. I'm not sure. This right here is a little Amazon bicycle kit, and it cost $140, and yes, that is overpriced, but I got this shit in 2 day shipping. It's all about the convenience. I like Amazon, the convenience. Um, Even though it's why you pay Prime every freaking month, not to pay for the convenience rate, but yeah. And one thing that's different about this engine is black. I feel like it's harder to find the black ones. I'm not sure. I know not. Granted, I know I can go online and definitely find. I know I can go online and definitely find. I know I can go online and definitely find engines for way cheaper. Going on eBay and things like that right there. But I said bump it. So here, we're actually. Put that over here. So here, we're actually, you know, so I guess, things won't move around. And this is different because it's all in one box, so I hope I'm not missing any hardware. Yeah. Let's see what this is in here. This might be everything in there. Let's take shit. Amazon warehouse, great deals, quality. Okay, so right away we see something pretty cool. It says, Amazon warehouse, great deals, one quality products. Yeah. So I think this engine actually was a used engine. I think I actually brought something like pre-owned or something like that right there. I don't know. It's from Amazon warehouse. I think Amazon warehouse is known for selling used stuff. I don't know, but I hope I got everything I was supposed to get. And no BS. I want to do this all in one tank. Make sure the video is organic. I'm not getting no freaking views. Hope I get some views of this right here. Let's see if it comes with everything. And okay, so right off the bat, we're greeted with something. Warranty card. This actually didn't come. Okay, you see right there, this actually didn't come in there before. It's really pretty. She's just talking about the engine and the motor, the auto grips and things like that right there. Yeah, it's actually really nice, to tell you the truth. It's like so generic though. It's crazy, so generic. So, right away, here goes that right there, sprocket. Pretty nice size sprocket. I don't even have a bike to put this on yet, and guys, it is the black one. I'm kind of happy. It is the black one. Let me see. Oh snap! It is the black engine, two-stroke engine. I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy to tell you the truth. Let's take it out the package. Oh, pretty. It's an okay deal. It's an okay deal. Oh snap! I'm sure. See me take out the package. Yeah. So yeah, little 80cc. They claim 80cc engine. I'm really happy to have it. The colorway is really nice. I'm really digging this freaking colorway. Colorway is really nice, man. You can't beat the ooh. We got the branding right down the side. Air cooled. The ones I see, man, they're just pure aluminum, but this has a little bit of color to it, which is so nice. Yeah. So that's the engine. Set that right there. Shoot. That's the engine. Set that right there. Gas tank, of course. One thing I noticed, I'm not. This actually came in really good, to tell you the truth. The gas tank actually looks really nice. People say they have problems with dents and stuff. This gas tank actually looks really freaking nice. And even if it was dents, you can't, I'm not really a shout out like that right there. So yeah, the gas tank looks really good though. I'll tell you that though. Throttle tube, not nothing too much. I'm not really. I'm not really freaking out over a throttle tube. It is what it is. As long as the engine's good and stuff like that right there. Gas cap, with this chain. The chain is out. I don't like how the chain is out like that. The chain is out like crazy. Is this a used? Is this a damn used engine? I don't know if this is a used engine. I'm not sure. Online they said it. Online they said it was used, but I'm not sure though what it really is. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. This one I'm going to have to get a drill bit for and drill inside the handlebar. I don't even have a drill bit, so I don't know how this is going to work, but it's going to work. Probably just file that down. I have to go run out and get a drill bit, and that's too much work. Yeah, it's all the hardware to make this damn thing good. So it's a full kit. Full kit. The exhaust. Damn, this exhaust looks longer than usual. Is it me or does this exhaust look longer than usual? Maybe that's the size they always are. Tripping exhaust. Regular exhaust. Now it was two things. Now it's right here, the hardware kit. Yeah. It's a pretty good. Like everything is really good on this kit, man. Like everything is gonna be 100. Order off of Amazon. The good thing about Amazon, this right here is a speedometer. This is one reason why I got it. It's probably one reason why it's kind of expensive. That and it was 2 days shipping. It's a whole lot of parts and moving pieces. Guys, you can't beat this, guys. And say if you get, cause like you can really make some money and sell on these things. You can go on like Facebook Marketplace and get you a cheap little beach cruiser. One thing you have to watch out for is make sure like the damn wheels aren't bent. A whole lot of wheels are warped. People selling it online, but usually you can get a beach cruiser for pretty cheap. If you look hard, you can get sometimes them $40, $50. Get you a nice little beach cruiser, man, and do what you do. You can really flip these damn things. You can flip them. Try to make you some money on the side. You bored? Shit, it's worth it, man. Shit. I had one. I sold my I actually had one by the same brand. I sold it though. I said, listen, I'm about to start off fresh. I told myself I'm gonna start off fresh and get me, cause like the one bike I got, it was a used bike, and I said, bump it. I'm gonna sell that bike, and I sold it for $288, and I can buy this kit and get me a cheap little Huffy bike from Walmart. So yeah, heck yeah. Here is all the hardware adapter. One thing I do want to see is this right here. This clutch cable I'm not really a big fan of. I had one that had like a red little grip on it, and it was a whole lot nicer, man. This clutch cable is cool, but it's not really that cool. You want to make sure you want to make sure that you don't burn up the clutch. Now, one thing I can say that they kind of leave out on this damn thing is if you crack this damn engine. Matter of fact, I'm about to go ahead and crack this engine. Hold on.